Hey you guys, Nita Renee here, coming to you with another video. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be talking about these box braids. So this video is pretty much long overdue. In the beginning of quarantine, I told a lot of my clients and friends that I'll be doing some tutorials and stuff for you guys, and this was definitely one of them that I wanted to do, amongst also doing like crochet styles and stuff. After this one install, I might go into doing another crochet install. Prior to quarantine, I had a crochet install, so when I took that out, I just wanted to give my hair a chance to breathe and also treat my scalp and treat my hair to make sure that, you know, my scalp and my hair is healthy. So it's been about 2 months now, so I decided to put a protective style in, and I got a lot of growth from my growth oil. I did like a little growth oil. Pretty much for this style, it's the rubber band method. I put a rubber band around the hair and then started braiding. If you guys know how to braid, then you definitely can achieve this look. For this look, I use the Janet collection, 56 inches. And this is like the pre-stretch hair. Like this hair is so easy to braid with because it's already stretched out for you. So you just pretty much take your piece and just start braiding. And I use so much hair because each pack has like 3 bundles on it. And I ended up using so much hair because I wanted my braids to be thick, of course, and I also wanted to be consistent, and I like them really long. So these braids are super long. They're like down past my tailbone, as you guys can see. So these braids are definitely long, super long, and I love them. I love them. I love them. I love how it came out. This is my first time doing this method, but I know how to box braids and I do knotless box braids. But even without doing it, just knowing how to do a braid, you can achieve this. Last thing is, like, sometimes when the braids get like a little funky here, because if you can see, like, my real hair is there. Sometimes my real hair starts to stick out the braid, and then when it sticks out, what I do is I take my crochet hook and I'll put it through the braid. I'll latch the hair onto my hair, and then I'll pull that hair back in through the braid, and then it seals it right back into the braid. So that's how I keep it neat. I make sure my scalp is oiled. I moisturize my hair and my scalp. Styles and stuff you can do with this, updos. It's a little braid situation here. There's a lot of videos on YouTube of like styling and stuff, so you guys can check that out. But thank you guys again for your support and for watching my video. Can't wait till the salons are open so I can get back to work. You guys to enjoy the next couple of slides that's coming up. It's the tutorials on how to do these braids. If you have any questions, let me know. I am here for you. Love you guys. So the products I'm using is Shine and Jam and Broner Brothers Super Grow. I got the lavender one. Love the way it smells, and it's so moisturizing for my hair. So that's pretty much why I use it, to moisturize my scalp and my hair. And I use the jam to lay down all of my hair, and it does such a great job doing it smoothly. And pretty much what I'm doing is making little ponytails all around my hair using a rubber band. That is why this is called the rubber band method. So here I am making my little ponytail, preparing it to start braiding. So this eliminates the part with you having to grip your hair and stuff. That's why this is so wonderful. And then I add a little bit of more jam to the ends to make sure it's nice and smooth. Using my hair as a third piece, I just start braiding with the Kanekalon hair. I twist the Kanekalon hair around and just start braiding my hair into the Kanekalon hair as the third piece. So I'm going to do this over for you guys one more time so you can see it one more time. Using my hair as a third leg, the Kanekalon hair, split that into 2, and you pick up whatever amount you want. I try to keep like the ratio the same size to the parting, and I just start braiding it into my hair. And if you guys are curious about my parting, I just simply did a bricklay kind of effect. Now when I'm down here towards the end, I split the Kanekalon hair one side of it and join it with my hair, then give it a little twist and split the other side and join it with my hair. So what that does is, like, it makes that third piece longer so that the braid, you can just continue braiding and it be all the same size, nice and smooth. And as you guys can see, there's no demarcation. You can't really see where I did that at, and the braid is flawless. And I just continue to braid down. So here, you guys, just want to show you how I add more hair to the ends. And what I do is pick up another piece, and I do the same thing that I did at the end of my hair, but I'm going behind it. I'm going to do it again, so you guys are going to see it in a minute a little bit more up closely. But what I'm simply doing is taking 2 strands of the Kanekalon hair, split into 2 pieces, and behind the braid I am joining that Kanekalon hair with one of the legs and just simply starting to braid it into the hair. And I split it like I did before as needed to join it to the middle braid piece, so that you know, just make sure all the legs are even, so that you get an even braid. And I just continue to braid all the way down to the end. Here I wanted to show you guys how I grab from the back, and this is more from a little view from behind the head and a little bit more up close, so you guys can also see my parting. And I just start braiding it into the hair as if I would do a cornrow from the back. I found this way easier than how I was doing it in the front. If you guys rewind the video a little bit, you'll see what I mean. But yeah, so I'm corn rolling it in from the back so I can make sure that these braids at the top are nice and tight. And when it gets to a certain length that I'm comfortable with of braid, I twist it around, and then I just continue to braid it down like I'm doing now to rest my arms. There we go. And now I'm going underhand, continuing. And simply that's it. I just continue to braid. As you guys can see, I'm almost done. And there you have it. These are rubber band method box braids.